Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ninjani. Niapie. Okay. Okay, my name is Bayekile Thenga. Bayekile Thenga. Bayekile is Likamamlengobe, is my name. It means leave them alone. I'm from I'm from Beesworth Projects. I studied information technology university. I'm a certified career advisor. Also, I studied excellence in service with the business school of Nelson Mandela Metropolitan University. I do EP helping, life orientation, life coaching, as well as creative arts. So these projects is about creating brand ambassadors around South Africa, where we have entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs that want to give back to the community, where they can go to high schools and FET colleges and inform people about the road that they went through when they started their businesses and or any other endeavors. So we've got brand ambassadors around the country: Johannesburg, Cape Town, Port Elizabeth, and Pretoria. Those people are the people that go to high schools on a daily basis. They spend slightly 2 weeks motivating the learners, telling them about the challenges that they might face within the school life, high school life, and the university environment. So we are also looking for a brand ambassadors, like which is and entrepreneurs, people who can go out to high schools around their communities and do the same thing as entrepreneurs. So we'll work together.